Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got another absolute monster on the desk, the iBUYPOWER Y40 PRO Black Gaming PC. Before we get into the details, don't forget to check the link down below to grab this powerhouse at the best discounted price available today. Fire emoji, design and build quality. The Y40 PRO is a stunner, coming in with a premium black chassis, a tempered glass panel, and customizable RGB lighting that instantly makes your setup look next level. iBUYPOWER has nailed that balance between sleek modern design and gamer-ready flair. High voltage sign emoji, performance. Inside, it's packing an AMD Ryzen 9 7900X CPU, an absolute beast for gaming and productivity with blazing fast multi-core performance. On the graphics side, you're getting the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T with 16GB VRAM, which means ultra-smooth gameplay, ray tracing, and insane FPS at 1440p and 4K. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or tackling demanding creative workloads, this rig handles it all like a champ. Brain emoji, memory and storage. With 32GB of DDR5 RGB RAM clocked at 5200 MHz, multitasking is effortless. No lag, no slowdowns, just pure speed. And with the 2TB NVMe SSD, you're getting lightning-fast load times and plenty of storage for all your games, media, and projects. Cyclone emoji, cooling and power. The Y40 PRO comes equipped with a well-ventilated chassis and optimized cooling system, keeping temps low even when you're pushing it hard. Powering it all is a high-efficiency PSU, giving you stable, reliable performance for those marathon gaming sessions. Video game emoji, gaming experience. This PC is fully VR-ready, built for high refresh rate monitors, and absolutely crushes AAA titles at max settings. If you want a system that's future-proof for years to come, the Y40 PRO delivers. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The iBUYPOWER Y40 PRO Black Gaming PC is the perfect mix of cutting-edge performance, sleek design, and long-term reliability. It's a dream machine for serious gamers, streamers, and creators. Right pointing finger emoji, don't wait, hit the link in the description to grab yours today at the best deal before it's gone.